Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and your game is crashing on your NVIDIA GPU, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Myth Wukong crashing on NVIDIA graphics card easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for your NVIDIA GPU, you're going to go on to nvidia.com, then click drivers, and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. You're going to select your graphics card along with your operating system, click find. It will find the latest GeForce game ready driver for you. Once it's done, you're going to download and install the GeForce game ready drivers. After you're done with the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, and then you're going to right click on Black Myth Wukong, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify entirety of game files here. Once you do that, it will verify your game's files. So if there are any corrupt files, it will re-download those files. And once you're done with that, now you can go to your games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Black Myth Wukong. You're going to right click on the Black Myth Wukong exe, go into properties, go into compatibility. You're going to click on to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then you're going to open up your start menu, right here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to the Black Myth Wukong games folder and then add the Black Myth Wukong exe here. You're going to find the exe in this list. Here it is. Click on it, click GPU preference, set it to high performance here, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.